Hey everyone, I'm diving into a world that's a bit different from my usual tech reviews today, but it's equally fascinating, the world of luxury watches. Have you ever wondered why some watches come with a price tag that could rival the cost of a house or even a private island? Let's break it down. First off, it's all about the craftsmanship. The most expensive watches are not just time-telling gadgets, they're pieces of art. Imagine this. Some of these watches are hand-assembled by the world's finest horologists using techniques that have been perfected over centuries. For instance, a high-end watch can have over 500 tiny parts working together seamlessly. That's engineering marvel right there. Next, the materials. We're talking gold, platinum, and sometimes even meteorite extracts. Yes, you heard that right, meteorites. These materials are not just rare, their processing and refinement also require incredible skill and technology. Now let's talk exclusivity. Many luxury watch brands limit the production of certain models, which can drive up their value immensely. Owning one of these watches is more than just having a timepiece. It's holding a slice of exclusivity on your wrist. And then there's the heritage. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe and Audemars Piguet have histories dating back over 100 years. This heritage builds a story, a legacy that comes with each watch, adding to its uniqueness and value. For instance, the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, which became the most expensive watch ever sold at auction for a staggering $31 million. Why so pricey? It's not just a watch, it's a symbol of horological perfection, featuring 20 different complications, including a grand and petite sonnerie, minute repeater, and a perpetual calendar. To sum up, behind every insanely expensive watch is a combination of exquisite craftsmanship, rare materials, exclusive production, and rich heritage. Next time you see a price tag with more zeros than you can count, remember it's not just a watch, it's a masterpiece of human ingenuity and history. So whether you're an avid collector or just someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the world of luxury watches has something to awe everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay savvy.